We start off with judicial matters. An FCT High Court sitting in Maitama has struck out the bail application filed by the former governor of Kogi State, Yahaya Bello. In a ruling, Justice Maryanne Anenih held that the application filed by Mr. Bello was premature and incompetent. Senior reporter Celestine Aria reports.
Justice Anenih held that at the time the bail application was filed by Mr. Bello, he had not been arrested or detained. She says the jurisdiction of the court was invoked too early by the defendant. Mr. Bello had filed an application for his bail on 22nd November, but was arrested on 26th November and arraigned on 27th November. She ruled that a bail application can only be filed when a defendant has been arrested or detained, not before. This is in line with Section 158 of Adjourns. Also, a bail application can be made before an arraignment, provided the defendant has been arrested or detained. Hence the refusal for bail. The court ruled that the former governor be remanded in Kogi Correctional Center till 29th January 2025. On the bail application of the second defendant, who is the Director General of the Kogi State Government House, the court held they had already been granted administrative bail by the EFCC, and it would be in the interest of justice to grant bail to the second defendant, Umar Oricha. Although Mr. Oricha has filed his bail application on 25th November and arraigned on 27th November, the court says, given Section 158 of Adjourns, that he has fulfilled the conditions necessary for the court to exercise its discretion. Having been arrested on 5th August by the EFCC, where he was interviewed and granted administrative bail, he is entitled to bail. Bail was granted in the sum of 300 million naira, with two sureties in like sum. One surety must have a property in Maitama district of Abuja, worth the bail bond. The second defendant will have to deposit his travel documents with the court and not travel outside the country without the permission of the court. The sureties must swear to an affidavit of means and deposit 2 passport photographs with the court. The original title documents of the property will be deposited with the court after the court has verified the said property. The defendant needs to remain in Kogi Correctional Center pending the perfection of his bail conditions. For the third defendant, Abdusalami Hudu, the permanent secretary of Ministry of Solid Minerals, Kogi State, the court granted him bail on same terms as that of the second defendant. Yahaya Bello is to appear before Justice Emeka Waite of the Federal High Court, Abuja, on 13th December. Celestina Area, TVC News, Abuja.